We have evolved as an organization. We have gone from A to B to now C. So I obviously also know how to lead throughout a transformation.
Always believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were.
Well, on this topic of evolving, we have a question from a listener whose name is Melissa, who is in the middle of, as you put it, evolving. And I would love to hear your thoughts and specific advice.
Hi, Mel. I'm 50 years old, going to be 51 next week. I have been at the same position for 22 years. I'm an executive director for a nonprofit. Unfortunately, we've lost our funding, and so we'll be closing, and I need to find a new job. For me, my question is, how do you get past feeling like you are not qualified for anything? I've been doing the same thing for so long. Will I really know how to do all of the new stuff? How do I work my way out of that to feel the confidence to look for a new job, to feel like I'm worthy for whatever position I'm applying for, and not question myself when I go for a job interview? Really, even just press send on submit the application.
I love your question. Now let's look at your facts. You have 22 years of experience and you've been doing this for 22 years and you're an executive director. My guess is that you didn't start in as an executive director. You worked your way up to that position. And let's talk about your facts. 1, you know how to ascend. 2, you know how to learn new things and master those things. 3, you know how to manage and, more importantly, lead other people. Because if you've been in a leadership position for as long as you've been in a leadership position, that means people are inspired by you. They like working with you. You know how to work with new people and inspire and motivate those new people. Those are general skills that I'm arguing that you have, because I have not met you. But those are things that would be applicable to any leadership position, no matter whether it's going to be in a nonprofit or a for-profit. Now your story becomes, I have 22 years experience in a nonprofit. As you know, working in a nonprofit is not a very easy thing to do. And in many cases, you have to be able to produce and also deliver for your constituents without a lot of resources. So I would argue that I'm very resourceful and I know how to deliver for my constituents on very little. I also can inspire and motivate people because, as you know, it's not easy to recruit and, more importantly, to retain really good talent in a nonprofit. And many of my team have been with me for the last 8, 10, or 12 years. We have evolved as an organization. We have gone from A to B to now C. So I obviously also know how to lead throughout a transformation. And I know how to take people into new territories and inspire them to do things that they didn't even think that they can do. So now in the role in your organization where transformation is required, innovation is required, motivating and leading a team is required for this particular seat to be successful, I'm highly confident that I'll be able to deliver for you. And I'm excited to be having this conversation with you. Melissa, that's your script. Go get them.
If these pearls were useful to you, then like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a few more pearls that'll help you to maximize your success.